How can I change the ownership of a Dell system? There are two main reasons to change the original registered ownership information: if the ownership has changed, as in bought or sold pre-owned, or if the system has moved permanently to another country. To transfer the warranty, navigate to the Dell support website and select Support, Warranty and Contracts, then Dell Warranty Information. Select Ownership Transfer and then enter the service tag of the system. Now fill in the form, adding as much of the original owner details and new owner details as possible to initiate the transfer. This process can take up to 2 weeks. If it is successful, you will be notified via email. Thanks for watching, and for more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below.